Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Home High
High
School.
School.
This is Thomas
And Couto, bringing you
bringing
your
you
morning
your
announcements.
Mr. Couto, how was your weekend?
You know, it was a little rainy. Got some things planted in the garden, ready to kind of take on this new week. And with taking on that new week, I do want to remind all of our students, all of our C-Home students, make sure to restart your computers.
Make sure and restart them.
Yeah, especially as new stuff's coming out from teachers, you want to kind of restart your computers.
Also, a reminder to check your emails. I know it's hard, but you're still going to have to check them. So make sure and check your emails.
There's also going to be an instructional video on how to log into Teams. So make sure to see that in kind of the description of this video. So if you need help finding that, make sure to check that out.
Speaking of new starts, just like this new start this week, we have our election results for our next year's ASB executives.
Yes, we do.
Should we share that with them?
I think people want to know.
All right. So let's get started. Director of Culture, do you know who won, Mr. Couto?
Well, I do. I mean, big shoes to fill, my friend.
That is true.
But the 2020-2021 Directors of Culture will be Izzy Jones and Roman Schroyer. Congratulations. Well done.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.
Yeah, and what about Director of Communications?
For our Director of Communications for the 2020-2021 school year, we have Moy Hernandez. Let's give
Congratulations. Well done.
Well done.
And then for Director of Finance, this was a big kind of dark horse surprise. Marcus Kananaga, congratulations.
Who could have known? Who could have known?
All righty. Oh, here are our big ones, our top two.
All right.
Who do we have for Vice President, Mr. Couto?
For Vice President, we have Colin Dorsch. Congratulations, Colin.
Congratulations, Colin.
And then for President, who is going to be the 2020-2021 ASB President for C-Home High School?
Our 2020-2021 President is Warren Rose.
Hey, congratulations. Well done.
Thank you, everyone, for running. It was a good race.
Yeah.
A little strange, but we worked through it.
Thank you all for voting and participating in a distance election. So.
Yeah. All righty.
It sounds like you've been in contact with maybe some friends.
Yes, I have. One of my good friends, David DeRoy, just sent in some pictures of the people that he's been FaceTiming during our break off. So just a reminder, keep in touch with those of your friends and make sure you're distancing yourself from others. All righty.
Awesome. Hey, and we have some birthdays this fine day. We have a number of birthdays. So Samir Bo-Rasan, wrestling.
We have Annika Donk.
Great. We've got Henry Frum.
Jordan Mendez, happy birthday.
And Morgan Mendez.
Also happy birthday. And Catherine Ship, happy birthday.
All right. Happy birthday to you all. Hope it's a good one.
All righty. Mr. Couto, what is our theme for today?
So our C-Home Challenge today is Make Us Smile Monday, which is great. Maybe I think there's lots of different ways that people make me smile. I will say, like us, just recording this video often makes me smile. Sometimes, yes, I know, warm fuzzies. It's more so when we mess up that I laugh a lot, true. But that's pretty entertaining too. So but
quite a bit.
Do you want to kind of explain kind of how this week's C-Home Challenge are going to roll?
For sure. So this C-Home Challenge week is going to be a little bit different. So for all of our students out there tuning in, remember that your submissions now will, instead of going to the C-Home High School Instagram, will go to your class pages. That is designated by your year of graduation. And from there, you will be given a chance to win gift cards if your class participates the most in our C-Home challenges. So make sure and participate if you want some sweet prizes and the glory of victory.
Oh man, I am my prediction. I think there's going to be an opportunity for. I know that you said last week when we had Maddie on that seniors are automatically going to take it, but I'm kind of thinking that the juniors might actually like surpass the seniors on this one. That's my prediction.
Oh, that's a risky bet you're taking there. Yeah, that's like 1 to 30 odds that you have that.
What?
We have the most spirited class at CHO, Mr. Couto.
Okay, all right.
Hands down.
I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Hey, and that doesn't mean that freshmen that you can't like make us both eat our words as well. So all are welcome to participate and put stuff out there. So hope to see lots of participation, and I think that's it. I think that's all we got.
I think that's it. All righty.
This has been Couto
and Thomas. Have a good one. Marco.
Polo.
This was uncoordinated.
I was already downstairs.
I hadn't seen you at all.